definitely not a good wig. But this makeup though, I'm loving it. I went to go get my skin, like to get it. Y'all know what it is when you go to Sephora and they be like, oh, this is the right one for your skin. You know that shit. So, because I know the last time I did my makeup, I was a little orange. But, I mean, I guess this works. I just got to get me a contour palette so I can do that a little better instead of looking so plain. But I like it. I didn't do the top of my eyebrows because my eyebrows are already thick. I didn't want to, I didn't want to do nothing to them. But let me know what you guys think about this makeup look. I'm gonna put some gloss on just to see what that looks like because I don't know if I want to do gloss or no gloss. Honestly, this is my first time putting bright pink on my lips. Dang! Oh, this is my first time putting bright pink on my lips. I'm about to go out here and be seen by somebody I don't know who, girl. Go to the mall and walk around, see who in there. They suggested this at the hair store. I was out of lip gloss, so they suggested this. I don't know what I had some lip gloss, but I don't know where it is. So I probably got like 3 of these now. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think I like it already. Hold on. Okay, Sada. Okay, I think I like gloss. It's okay. Gloss is okay. Y'all know I am in love with my lips, okay? If y'all didn't know. No, you know. Gloss looks really strong. Like when I put the gloss. This is thick. I just got my music playing. It's just playing whatever, honestly. Aw, this take me back. Don't you wanna dance with me? No. Jackson. Dance with me, no. So, dang, the lip gloss is gonna catch all this hair. I'm trying to hide my boobs. I don't want to like make anybody feel uncomfortable. They just titties. But so this is the final look. This is all you're gonna get. You know, I did the blue and the orange and I did a whole bunch of different colors. Honestly, I was just doing stuff. I've been trying to get more practice doing my makeup. But I'm going to be uploading another video after this. I don't know if it's going to be right after this or what. Whenever this one is uploaded, a few days after, it should be another video uploaded. I'm trying to do some different things. I'm trying to find out what I actually want to do with my YouTube channel because my YouTube channel has been all over the place. If y'all know, you know I done been doing games, hauls. I've been doing all kind of stuff, okay? So I'm just really trying to get a feel of what I really want to do with my YouTube channel. I don't really know what exactly I'm going to be doing. You guys seem to like my hauls. I haven't really gotten a chance to buy anything right now because I've been working a lot, trying to get my bills paid up in time. I'm trying to this lip gloss. Ugh! I'm trying to make a big purchase for my birthday. I'm really hoping that I can make this big purchase. Like, this is gonna be my birthday present for me. You know, I'm gonna be turning 22 in like a month or so. Stay tuned for that too. No, for real. But yeah, I want to make a big purchase, so I've been kind of holding off on spending my money. Plus, I don't go anywhere but to work and I come home, so there's no need for me to be buying clothes, honestly. You know, whatever, it's whatever. And I mean, unless y'all want to buy me some clothes. But yeah, so expect another video coming up. I'm trying to, like I said, I'm trying to do a whole bunch of stuff to find out what I really want to do with my channel. Doing new things, trying new stuff, using whatever talents or whatever I have to give, you know, to share with you guys. So just stay tuned for a bunch of crazy videos. Honestly, I've got a lot of ideas coming, so there will be a lot of YouTube videos coming up. So just stay tuned for that. Ciao.